Thank you very much, Honorable Speaker. Hamjambo. Leo ni mwalili wa Githungu Kiingi. Nilisikia mkiongea Kikuyu. I'm Liz Muthoni Mbogwa. I'm a member of the County Assembly, elected in Murang'a Kegungo constituency, Kenyona ward. And in the Assembly, I'm the deputy leader of majority. This is my boss, he's my speaker, and we are humbled to be here. I can only confirm that all the information the speaker gave, it is the right information. And because where I sit, we are the people who assist the governor, and we connect the governor and the national government as leadership in the county assembly. A part of being the member of the county assembly, I connect the governor and the national assembly. So everything that he has talked, it is true information. Where I fellowshipped, they asked me a few questions, and I think it is good, Bwana Speaker. Amwe nimekuragia mugunda wa Kandara na mugunda uyu wa Murang'a kana ni nyitithanitio. And I can only confirm mugunda uyu wa county government hatire handu rokanira na mugunda uria mwaiguaga wa Kandara investment mwanyita itondu andu no metigire tondu kwi andu mokite na makageria kurecruit andu na mugunda ucio uyu ti ucio uyu ni witu wa Murang'a county government. And as the speaker has said, ona riria tugakorwo tutire in the county assembly mawatho maria tuhitukitie thiini wa assembly ni makamuteithiriria guthi na mbere na investment. And he has confirmed the national government has already started working on the affordable housing na EPZ ni thiete na mbere. Koguo no confirm maundu mau mothe mwe karibu sana muke in the conference ni muguthomithio maundu maingi na ni tugutembea hamwe. Ihoya riri ngimuhoya ni Ngai amuhe opportunity, come and invest with us. Tondu ni mugututeithiriria nginya gu create job opportunities na haria mugunda ucio mwerirwo mugunda ucio wi highway iguru ugithie na North Eastern urahitukira hau ugithi Nyeri ugithi Nyandarua nutonire ni Murang'a county, but all the other counties Kirinyaga, Embu we have. As the speaker has confirmed, thiini wa Murang'a county ward iria thuritwo uhoro wa gwika value addition factory itagwo Gacharage in Kegungo constituency ni wirari na bemwe thiini wa Kenya uhoro wa macani. Koguo tungiona investors magioka moe the portion the speaker was talking about, mundu no ambiririe gwika value addition nerehe o maciaro kuri county itu. So I really want to welcome you all. Ukaitunyitanire, ukaituteithanie na nijue Ngai ni kumwika wega. Ndikwenda kwaria muno wa matha, but my prayer is onere mwe bururi-ini uyu Ngai aromutuma muthereme tiri wa guku mwitikire na muone wega wa Ngai. The assurance with us, the member of the county assembly and the governor, hatire na uburuka na ithwe wira witu uria turutaga na governor Kang'ata ni wiyaritie na ni uronekana na hatire kindu turauga ni kia white no ni kia blue. Maundu mothe me utheri-ini na gutire kindu mukanyitithanio na national government. Koguo turaria uhoro wa county government, mugunda wothe onoria wakitwo ni national government all the way under the county government. And koguo leverage kana mutungatiri hindi na tukwariria andu aya ona Ruto twina rutha rwa kumutunya nyumba icio angirega gukupalate na ithui tondu cie mugunda-ini taitu under Murang'a county government. Mwanyita koguo mugie na confidence as you come to invest. We karibuni sana. God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you, Liz. I told you.
Yeah.
I think it's our markets, the supermarkets. Okay. It's taking KTD exports. Okay, I get it. Want to tell it? No. I get the question.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. And I think what my sister is asking, nowadays, the market is open. If you come and visit our factories, maybe you can just try to test the tea or the factory that you really love to, like to have the memorandum with, you can sign, and now you can start doing them. That is the opening we are doing. That's why we are saying, it's not like the way we used to do, like you have to go through the KTDA. No. Through the county government, we can connect you direct to the factory. Thank you. Is there a question? Yeah. Okay.
Okay, to follow up, so that you get more professional advice, I think we'll take your number and connect you to the person who is now in that tea sector. So now we are talking wholesale.
You are watching Pacific Waves Television, USA, a place of nourishment.